Hello, I'm Ed Dulzer with the Process Technology Technical Support Team, here to show you how to remove and replace the sensor input card on your DE series controller. There's two main reasons why you would need to remove the sensor card. The first would be to facilitate wiring, in case you're having a hard time making wire connections with the sensor. The second would be if you're going to change your sensor type and you need a new card. The first thing you need to do is power down your controller and get to the back of the case and remove the back cover. So here's the back of the DE case. I've already loosened the hardware. Now this one is pre-wired, so when I remove the cover, you'll be able to see that the wires are all attached. However, like I said, one of the reasons you may want to remove the sensor card would be to facilitate wiring. Notice how on the power terminals and on the relay terminals, your wires are coming straight in from the outside. Meanwhile, your your screw connections are easily accessible because they extend out. Now, on the other hand, the sensor wires, the screw connections are right up on top, but the wires come in at a very awkward angle. And if you have a hard time getting those wires inserted, that's when you might want to remove the card. Or if you want to change your sensor card, you'll need to remove it. To remove the card, with or without the wires attached, simply grab the board and pull. That's the sensor card, and there's the 10-pin connector that holds it to the main board. There's also this piece of paper right here, which you can remove and replace later. Inside, you can see the connector for the sensor input card. With the sensor card out, it's much easier to access these wires and make these connections. When you're done, reinstalling the card is simply pushing it back into position. It may not be very easy to get the connector to shift over by one position, but if you do that by accident, then when you power up, you're going to have a big problem. There won't be a display. Once the sensor card is reinstalled, reinsert the fish paper into the position, and you're done. Remove the rear cover, and that's how you replace the sensor input card on a DE series controller. Thank you.